looking to optimize your website without using DeepSeek in 2025, you are missing out the huge potential, because DeepSeek can make your SEO work very easier. Look at these 10 DeepSeek prompts that I have on my screen. For example, like generate 10 catchy and SEO friendly block title ideas for the topic that include the primary keyword, right? Now, how to use all of these prompts inside DeepSeek? For that, you need to watch the video till the very end, because I'm gonna walk you through with the right steps of how to use DeepSeek in order to make your SEO life easier. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your Google Search Console. So as you can see that I have opened the Google Search Console for this website. In this website I have got 1 million impressions, 12.5k clicks with an average CTR of 1.2%. After that, what I am supposed to do is that I will be selecting few keywords, but before that I would like to go into the pages section, and then I will be selecting those pages which has got like really good number of clicks. So for example, like you can see I've got clicks over here as well. So I will be picking one of the page that has gotten me good impressions and good clicks. So let me just pick this one. And now after choosing this page, I would like to see how many keywords I have been indexed. So let me just shift this part to over here, and now you can see that this page has been ranking for 274 keywords. So let me just bring all those keywords in just one roof, and now let me just figure it out on the basis of the highest number of impressions. So now I can see the keyword that has gotten me highest number of impressions, and then let me just quickly enable the average position. So now I can see all the keywords with the average position. So I'm quickly gonna find the keywords which has, let's say, ranking on the second page or maybe on the third page. So let's see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm quickly gonna do it on the basis of the average position. So now I can quickly find it out the keywords that are ranking on the second page. So now I can see all those keywords which are ranking on the second page. लोक सेवक की प्रतिभाषा is police public servant defined under section public servant law. Domestic violence laws, arbitration notice का जवाब कैसे दे हुआ public servants in India. On the basis of this, you have to find down the keyword public servant in IPC. So I'm gonna pick a very like on the basis of the intent of the keyword. So he's not a public servant under IPC, public servant section 21 IPC. What is section 21? IPC section for government servant. So let's just pick this keyword, right? And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use DeepSeek now with the prompt that I have. So you go to DeepSeek and then you type this keyword, right? And then you come to the prompt and then you copy this prompt. And then you come to DeepSeek and then you just paste this prompt. After that, what you have to do is like generate 10 catchy and SEO friendly block titles for the topic that include the primary keyword for the topic. So I'm just gonna type this as a topic that include the primary keyword, right? And then use primary keyword according to my topic, right? After that, what you have to do is like, instead of titles are under 60 characters, and appeal to audience which are interested in legal content, and that's it. Now what DeepSeek will do, we all know that DeepSeek uses deep think technology, and it's not like your ChatGPT technology, which is like quite different, right? So now what DeepSeek will do, DeepSeek will understand my prompt that I have given to it, and it will think like a user and re-evaluate it as well. So the result that I will get, it will re-evaluate it. On the basis of that, it will tell me that what user searches on internet and what type of content I can write on in my niche. So now what I have done so far is that it helped me finding the keywords from where I am missing the potential, and these keywords have a high chances if I create more content around it, and then I can secure more rankings, right? So now what DeepSeek will help me in creating the relevant titles around this topic, and After that, like once I'll get the titles, after that, like I can use DeepSeek prompts, like write a meta description for the title that I'm gonna choose, then the 300 word section for this blog post. So there are so many prompts that I have written down to make your SEO life easier. Do not worry, because I'm just quickly gonna paste this inside the YouTube description. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, like do so right now, because I'm gonna tell you a lot many DeepSeek prompts in the coming videos. And do not forget to gives a thumbs up to this video. Now I think the work has been done by the DeepSeek. So it is like taking a lot of time and thinking that how it can be done, because we want to make sure that like the people searches this content on internet. That is why it is taking more time. And you can see that it has already started giving me some content. For example, like IPC section 14 government servant legal obligations guide, understanding IPC section 21 for public servants, top 5 IPC sections every government servant must know, IPC section 14 versus 21 key differences explained, how IPC section 14 protects government servants. So all of these topics are basically around my niche, and it is also covering the major part which my users are searching. So now the keywords that this ChatGPT prompt is suggesting me will help me to to target more users and to secure the ranking at the top positions. So you see, DeepSeek has already started working around it. And now if I look at the content, so I need to check each cell for character count. Let me verify. So it is also counting the characters limit. It is not like your normal chat GPT where you just give the prompt and it gives you the answer. It is also calculating each character. You see, I it has counted as 1, P has counted as 2. So it is also counting each and every character, and that is what is taking a lot many time to identify that the results that it is gonna give me will be accurate and will be around the topic that the person has asked. So whatever query I've asked in the first thing, on the basis of that it is gonna give me. So now we can see that it has finally started giving me the correct answers. The first topic that it says is IPC section 14 legal duties of government servants explained, understanding IPC section 21 for public servants, top 5 IPC sections every government servant must know, IPC section 14 versus 21 key differences simplified. Now once you have identified the keyword, the title, now the next part that you have to do is write a meta description for the topic that you have identified. So I'm quickly gonna copy this so that like I can save some time, and then I'm gonna come back to the chat GPT, my bad, to DeepSeek. Then I'm quickly gonna replace it. Write my description for a page about topic. So let's just pick one topic around it. Protects government servants. So let's pick this one, because I think government servant might be using this one. So I've used this topic, right? So let's just replace it using the primary keyword. Now I want to make sure that it has a right primary keyword. Keep it under 160 characters, include a CT, and make it compelling for users to click. How IPC section 14 governs, and then you just delete this part, and then boom, once you hit enter, after that like it will gonna again like rethink on the basis of the answer that it is gonna give me. But let's save more time by picking up the next prompt. Now I want the topic, now I want a very detailed article on this one, so I can ask like suggest 10 long tail keywords related to this that are relevant to industry, include search intent. So now I can ask this uh, chat DeepSeek to tell me 10 long tail keywords around my topic, right? So once it will gonna share the meta description, after that I'm gonna quickly ask ask it to share the you know relevant long tail keywords. That is the my main requirement. But it sometimes happens with DeepSeek because their server is quite busy, a lot many people are using them, and it becomes difficult sometimes to use DeepSeek because it is very time taking process. So we have a habit of using ChatGPT, which gives answer in like no time, but DeepSeek has a very different you know technology. And if you do not know about DeepSeek and ChatGPT, so I made a very separate video around it. I can quickly show you that video. So you can go to my YouTube, you can just type down the my username, which is Ronglati504, and then you can go to the videos section, and there I have made a very useful video on DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Over here, the dark truth about DeepSeek, watch before you use it. So you can watch this video and I have explained it, like which technology DeepSeek uses and what type of content they have. So still it says that their server is busy, so I won't be able to show you the right steps that you can perform with all the prompts that I have written so far. But I hope you got an idea how to use these prompts in DeepSeek to generate a very healthy SEO written content. The main thing that I would do is that after you have selected your title and then you have got your meta description, the next thing that you have to identify is the 10 long tail keywords, so that like you can ask DeepSeek to write meaningful and to use all those keywords that you have identified, so that like you can make one of them as a primary keyword and other one of them and others as the secondary keywords. And then you can also include FAQs, because I have written down over here, generate a 5 question based keywords that align with common search results as well. Find 5 trending keywords in this industry for 2025. So all these will help you in like making your SEO work easier. For example, like look at the ninth prompt. Generate 3 H2 subheadings for a blog post about this topic. So you just have to replace the topic with the one that you have selected, and then it will gonna help you in writing the subheadings as well. So you do not need to depend entirely on DeepSeek, because as Google says that we don't like chat gpt content or the AI based content, so that is where you have to identify. But this will make your work easier if you are just starting your blog yet, and if you don't know how to use primary and secondary keywords. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked it, give a thumbs up, and if you need all the prompts that I have written down over here, so just check the description of this video and you will get it.